Hello and welcome to this lecture on the Mediterranean diet. In this lecture, we will discuss what the Mediterranean diet is, its benefits, and how to incorporate it into your daily life. The Mediterranean diet is a traditional way of eating that originated in the Mediterranean region, which includes countries such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. It is based on the consumption of whole foods such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The diet also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry and small amounts of dairy and red meat. Remember, olive oil is the main source of fat in this diet, and it is used in cooking and as a dressing for salads. One of the key benefits of Mediterranean diet is its positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that people who follow this diet have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. This is due to the high intake of heart healthy foods such as olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. The Mediterranean diet is also associated with improved brain health and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. This is likely due to the high intake of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in fruits and vegetables and nuts. The Mediterranean region is characterized by a rich and diverse array of fruits and vegetables, many of which are staples in the Mediterranean diet. Some of the most commonly available fruits and vegetables in the Mediterranean countries include tomatoes, bell pepper, eggplants, zucchini, olives, figs, grapes, lemons, oranges. These are just a few examples of the many fruits and vegetables that are commonly available in the Mediterranean region. The diversity and the availability of fresh, seasonal produce is a key aspect of the Mediterranean diet and contributes to its health benefits and delicious flavors. Incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your daily life is simple and enjoyable. Start by adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals and make sure to include at least one serving of a colorful fruit or vegetable at each meal. Whole grains such as brown rice and whole wheat bread should also be a regular part of your diet. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are also an important part of this diet and can be used to make soups, stews, and salads. When it comes to protein, focus on fish and poultry and limit your consumption of red meat. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, make great snacks and can be used in cooking and baking. And of course, make sure to use olive oil as your main source of fat. How is it different from other types of diets? The Mediterranean diet is different from other diets in several ways. Firstly, it is not a weight loss program with strict caloric restrictions. Instead, it is a way of eating that emphasizes the consumption of whole, nutrient-dense foods and minimizes the intake of processed foods and added sugars. Another difference is that the Mediterranean diet places a strong emphasis on healthy fats, while many diets restrict fat intake. The Mediterranean diet promotes the consumption of healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. This is in contrast to the diets that promote high amounts of animal-based protein, such as red meat. Finally, the Mediterranean diet is culturally diverse and adaptable, with different variations found in the countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. This makes it a flexible and sustainable way of eating that can be easily incorporated into various cultural and lifestyle preferences. In summary, the Mediterranean diet is unique because it focuses on consumption of whole, nutrient-dense foods, promotes the consumption of healthy fats, emphasizes plant-based foods, and is culturally diverse and adaptable. Thank you for watching this video.